everyone and good morning. Hope you had a great week so far. I'm back from an amazing trip ice skating. The lakes finally froze and I'm back and still cannot really believe how amazing it was. So I'm still processing it, but it's also nice to be then home and like let everything settle down, and yeah, that's nice. And yeah, this year was very special for me because the last years usually the ice skating time was a bit longer, so you had maybe a week, 2 weeks to go ice skating and do not worry much about it because the conditions are just great. And this year I've been waiting for a couple of months now that like the lakes will finally freeze, but they never froze. And it was because the summer was very hot this year, so the water would take much longer to actually get into a state of ice. And that's also why I wasn't able to share any new videos so far about ice skating on lakes. And the past weeks, or the past 2 weeks, we were slowly observing it and we saw that the lake is slowly changing, and there were some spots where ice was building up, but then again it's very important to see how the ice and the weather, the wind and everything behave before you eventually can go ice skating, if at all. And this year some experts actually said it will not, most likely lakes will not freeze, but we were so happy and so lucky that this week it finally happened and it was safe enough, to say so, to go skating. But we had just like really 2 days and then they expected snow, and in fact there was a lot of snow yesterday and the day before, and now the ice is gone. So that's also why I'm back home and actually kind of still processing everything that we experienced. And I planned originally to take you along and show you around, but there was so little time to do and to shoot all the things we wanted that we prioritized filming other things, which I'm gonna share with you very soon. And I'm so happy and so grateful that eventually it did happen and we had amazing conditions. However, it was very intense and also very, very cold. It's always when the sky is blue and the sun is shining, it seems that it's just like nice and warm, but that's usually the days when it's the most freezing. And being then outside the whole day is usually a little bit of a challenge, but kind of when you're skating you're almost forgetting about the cold, but also you're in movement and you're kind of like, you just enjoy being outside in nature. And I'm so excited to share more of what we filmed with you these days, so stay tuned and let's go.